I'm looking at an item sent to me by Freenda. It's a universal bathroom fan, a motor replacement. They did send it to me and did compensate me to make this review, just to be clear and transparent. So what is this? This is a replacement motor for your bathroom fan. If your bathroom fan blew out or the motor stopped working, this is a great option to replace what you currently have. So this is how that's why this is available. And it's really easy to use, easy to install. How it comes, just like you see here with two pieces. It's designed for 50 CFM is the airflow, and also it's 120 volts, which is great. And it's 120 volts. It's got a 6-foot cable already included. The plug, most of these are just plug right in and you have a switch on the wall. These are just, that's how they're designed. Basically, you replace these, you plug it in and you're good to go. Okay. So it's got 2 screws in the back here. These 2 screws are standard, universal for most of these type of fan replacements. So that's easy enough to do. This fan is around 6.5 inches wide is the actual circumference of it, the width of it. And it's a little flimsy, but you know what? I think it'll do the job. It does come apart just like this. When you get it, you just have to basically push it on. If you're having some hard time, just be careful. You can put a little soap on the end of the spindle to get it pushed on, and try to get it on as far as you can and make sure it's square and straight. If it's crooked, you'll get some vibration. So the idea is the straighter it is, the quieter it's going to sound. So that's kind of like a little secret with that, how that works. So this is, again, 6.5 inch cord. This is an 1 3/4 inch shaft right here, 1 3/4 inch. And the size of the motor, approximately, I'll just give you an idea. And this is pretty much universal. These fit pretty much all. This is approximately 3 by our width is around 2.5. And the total depth with the mounting screws and everything is approximately 4 inches. So that's your basic measurements, basic motors you can see here. I'm going to replace this old one that I have on my fan. I'm going to show you how to do that. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to replace that. And let's go ahead and do that. Again, they did send it to me to do a review on. And again, this is plug in. So this is not a lot of electrical work involved. You plug the old one in, just 2 screws, as you can see here. So basically taking it apart and putting it in is really the hard part. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have it plugged in. I have it on the ground here. I just wanted to show you and how much. Let's listen to it and let's see how powerful it is. I think this is a pretty nice fan. Let's just plug it in real quick here and just see how it sounds. That thing is throwing off a ton of air. It's going right along. It's cranking. Okay, it's pretty quiet. It's around 67 decibels, right around there. I did a quick test on it. Throwing off a ton of air, so definitely got to move the air out of the bathroom. That's what you're looking for. And I think it's a fantastic fan, nice and quiet, considering for its class. So I definitely highly recommend it. It's a nice, easy fan to install, like I said. And definitely, once you put this on, just push it on. As you can see, it just comes right off. Just get a little soap and just push it on and just make sure it's square. That's the biggest secret. So that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoy it. Definitely highly recommend something like this if you're going to do it yourself. Definitely easy DIY, no question about it. It's basically a couple screws, pretty easy. All right, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this quick review on this fan. And thanks for sending it to me. I think it's a great deal. Thanks for watching.